Welcome to Amaze Zane online quiz. Let's review Grade 1 Spelling Quiz. B words. Spell the word cloth. He is wearing a wet cloth. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word supermarket. We went shopping in supermarket. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word expensive. She gave him an expensive toy. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word frolicking. There were seals frolicking in the water. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word yummy. Yummy food tastes very good. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word fleece. You'll bake in that fleece jacket. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word surrounded. The house is surrounded by trees. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word cautious. Any cautious tourist will guard her passport. And the answer is letter C. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Amaze Zane Online Quiz.